Welcome to Learn Easy and Smart. Dictation start. Paul Allen, Gates' intimate friend was hired into MITS, and Gates took a leave of absence from Harvard to work with Allen at MITS, dubbing their partnership Microsoft in November, 1975 full stop. Within a year, the hyphen was dropped, and on 26th November, 1976, the trade name Microsoft was registered full stop. Microsoft became independent of MITS in late 1976, and it continued to develop programming language software for various systems full stop. Paragraph change. In 1980, IBM approached Microsoft to make the basic interpreter for its upcoming personal computer, IBM PC full stop. Gates proposed using 86 DOS bracket Q DOS bracket, an operating system full stop. After adapting the operating system for PC, Microsoft delivered it to IBM as PC DOS full stop. As several companies reverse engineered the IBM architecture and developed clones, Microsoft was quick to license DOS to other manufacturers, calling it MS DOS full stop, keeping pace with time, in the early 1980s, Microsoft released Windows as an addition and alternative to their DOS command line, and to compete with other systems in the market full stop. The release of Windows 3.0 in 1990 systems in the market full stop. By the early 1990s, Windows had pushed other DOS based systems out of the market full stop. The release of Windows 3.0 in 1990 was a tremendous success, selling around 10 million copies in the first 2 years and cementing Microsoft's dominance in operating systems sales. Full stop. It gradually became the largest software company in the world. Full stop. Paragraph change. A portion of Gates' popularity can be attributed to his wife Melinda. Full stop. It is due to her philanthropic mindset, that Gates came out to participate in the inverted comma real inverted comma world. Full stop. It was their combined effort made Warren Buffett channelize much of his fortune to their social welfare institute, the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation. Full stop. At the time of its inception, Gates inverted comma gifted inverted comma 106 million US dollar. Full stop. It provided scholarships to needy, and efforts are directed for the control of AIDS, polio, diphtheria, measles and yellow fever. Full stop. It gives away at least 5% of its assets each year, in order to continue as a charitable organization. Full stop. Paragraph change. Gates has been continuing to drive the world with his genius. Full stop. Inverted comma. Forbes inverted comma magazine's list of the inverted comma the world's billionaires inverted comma has ranked him as the richest person in the world since 1995, and recent estimates put his net worth near $56 billion. Full stop. But the Gates Foundation and his social work will make us remember him for more than just his business empire. Full stop. He will inspire us to steadily move towards our higher goals, for he rightly said, inverted comma, if you are born poor, it's not your mistake, full stop. But if you die poor, it's your mistake, full stop, inverted comma, stop.